Hey gang, it's day 734 of voluntary cautionary isolation. I jest, it's day 7. So here I am with another video. This is Alaska, that's having a cure, and we've got Wild Violet and Bubblegum from Gel Perfection, which were in yesterday's video as well. But I did this nail at the same time and I was clearly too lazy to pick up other colours. So this has had some coat of the first base, the base coat. It hasn't been cured. And now I'm just applying blobs and random lines and squiggles of these two colours, and then just using my brush to sort of smush them into each other, blur them, blend them, move them about. I'm not going for like a perfect marble or anything, just really just spreading them out. You can see my brush is wet there. I've dipped it in some isopropyl alcohol or prep solution, whatever you call yours, and then just using that to sort of bleed them and spread them out a bit. Again, that base coat wasn't cured before I did this, so they're all just sort of moving about freely. And then I'm going to add a bit more white and spread that out, and then that will have a full cure. I hope you don't mind that I'm posting video every day because I got nothing else to do. So hopefully you're enjoying them. Give it a thumbs up if you are, leave a comment, say hello, it's always nice to hear from you. So that's gone in the lamp, and I'm now doing coat of Foil It, the foil gel, and that will have a 2-minute cure. In we go. And this is called Plain Cold Metallic, which is from Diamond Glitters, and I'm just sparingly pressing that. I used a bit that I'd already used before because I wanted to still see the pattern behind, but at the same time have foil all over the place. So just doing that sparingly, and then that will be topped with diamond gloss. What was I saying? Yes, there's a everything's discounted on diamondglitters.co.uk at the moment, so head over there and get yourself some goodies. The new colours came out today and they're amazing, and that's that. It's not really anything in particular, just a sort of marbly, mashy, it's just cute. Would make a nice accent nail, I think. There's another one there, the video of which has just disappeared into the abyss, so I don't know where that is. Thanks so much for watching, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you're keeping safe and well, and I will see you in the next one. And don't be an arsehole, stay inside.